You said you didn't even like niggas.
You just,
I'm hurt, y'all. I don't want to
roll up.
So what is this talking about? Sit on my then. You told me you like girls. You have niggas in your phone.
But if you don't want me to see your phone, then I guess we're not spending Valentine's Day together.
Well, it's what it is, but you ain't get my phone still. What I need to go through her phone for, and I got my main chick, I go through her phone.
Oh my god. I mean, yeah, I cheated.
What the f is that? Oh, what is that? Is that Tinder? Oh, your girlfriend has Tinder.
No, I don't
Why
use
you got
it.
Tinder
I don't
for?
use it. I barely use it.
For what? Barely?
I mean,
You messed up. You messed up. Because I gave you everything.
All right, let's go.
No,
let's go home. Let's go. Let's talk about. let's talk about
no,
it at home.
I don't want to go nowhere with
Do
you.
me a favor. Call your best friend right now. I want you to ask her, guess who I'm with right now.
Take me off, because I don't want to say the wrong name.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Prettyboyfredo, aka Fredo 2 times. Today we are gonna be exposing some cheaters. Saw this video on TikTok from Unghetto Matthew where he was making couples switch phones to 60 seconds. So shout out to Unghetto for making me want to do this video. I'm gonna be making couples switch phones 60 seconds. You're gonna get the opportunity to swap phones with your partner and see if they're being loyal. Today I'm Captain Expose a Captain Expose a Captain Expose a fraud. I'm saving Valentine's Day. Let's go. Beautiful couple. You guys are a couple, right?
Yes.
Yes. Lesbian, right?
Yes.
Yes. How long you guys been lesbian for?
I said you born with it, really.
You're born lesbian.
You are.
I respect it. I respect it. You guys are gonna be swapping phones for 60 seconds.
I mean, okay.
Uh-oh, she's going straight to the Instagram.
Girls, who's that?
Whoa, whoa.
That's my cousin. That's my cousin.
Whoa, whoa, click the hearts.
I was just wishing
Happy birthday.
his baby a happy birthday. That's all.
All right, well, so we going through the messages. Hold on.
My little naked.
My little. Oh.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
So, that's a baby. Okay.
That's old.
What are you talking about? Oh, this was like a month ago.
Wait, what does it say? What does that say?
Kill my kitty. Like, what are you talking about?
Wait,
I
oh!
thought you didn't even like niggas. What are you talking about?
Wait, that's a.
Like niggas?
No, you know I'm like bisexual.
No, you never told me. Trying to f him?
No.
You're not trying to fuck him.
No.
So what is this talking about? Sit on my then.
Oh! Oh,
You
shit.
said you didn't even like niggas.
No, I said
No, tighter. Then what? Bitch.
no.
Oh,
Who is this?
I was drinking.
Who is this?
Oh my god, that's my ex. But
You
No,
have
no,
a
no,
nigga
no,
as an ex. You told me you like girls. What are you talking about? No,
No.
you don't, because you have niggas in your phone.
But-
Nobody in my phone for you.
Okay,
That was
like,
for you. I'm not trying to f with nobody else.
That's like the
That's
thing
my
that you.
preference.
That's the thing you.
So you want to be talking to all these extra niggas? You want to be a hoe in this shit?
No,
And then you want me to be loyal? I got a cat as my screensaver, bitch. What? And this nigga talking about sitting on your face and tied up and what? And that you'll do the trick. You'll do what type of trick?
Babe.
What type of trick are you about to do? You want to see me do a trick?
No.
oh my god! Oh my god!
Can you guys go? See, can you just get the f out of here? Like, you're really.
She's gone. Do this challenge where you guys swap phones for 60 seconds, all right? So for 60 seconds, you guys are gonna get to go through each other's phone.
Never seen his phone.
Ooh.
Yeah, I don't think we could do all that. Why we need to switch phones for anyways?
Prove your loyalty and you trust me. How can I trust you if you don't trust me?
What you mean? I trust you. I spent like over $5,000 for Valentine's Day. We're not finna go through my phone right about now.
Buy me a single rose and I would be happy.
Exactly, man. Sometimes you gotta go through the phone, so like.
Nah, we ain't going through my phone.
What are you trying to hide?
I ain't trying to hide nothing.
Then why don't you show me your phone?
Because I don't need to. Why you can't trust me enough
If you
to not
don't want me to see your phone, then I guess we're not spending Valentine's Day together.
Well, shit, it is what it is, but you ain't get my phone still.
Bro, you don't wanna like go through her phone and see her shit, bro?
Nah, what I need to go through her phone for, and I got my main chick, I go through her
Oh
phone.
my god! Oh my god!
Whoa.
Like, what? What we swapping for? When I swap you, what?
Have you seen me?
What we really doing
Are
here,
you
man?
blind? Are you fucking blind?
I am now.
Oh! You.
What we really doing here, cuz?
You know what? You can spend Valentine's Day alone.
God. Come on, boy. Whoa. But you know you hit the lotto. You know that, right, boy?
Yeah, thanks, man.
What's your name?
Sandra.
Sandra. How you doing today, Sandra? Dang, you are beautiful. Wow. Oh, my fault, bro. My fault. Has anyone ever cheated in this relationship before?
No. I mean, yeah, I cheated.
Yeah, twice.
Nigga, what? And you accept her back both times?
I mean, you know, look at her. You feel me? Like,
I mean,
You cheated twice.
yes, I mean, you know, I like the open relationship, but we're still talking.
Hold on. So you're open to
He doesn't like it.
being with other people
Yes.
at the same time of being with him,
Yes.
and you're just not.
yeah, I'm just like, you know, I'm just to myself. You feel me? I want to get married. I want a future. I want a baby. I want kids. I want a house. You feel me?
I mean, not right now. I'm not ready for that. I'm not ready for kids and just
My boy,
no.
you're not with that right now.
I'm not with that right now.
We're gonna do a loyalty test. You guys are gonna be switching phones for 60 seconds.
You down to do that? Yeah. Ain't talking to nobody, are you?
I mean, I did tell you I wasn't, but
Wait, wait,
Oh no.
wait, whoa.
Bro, who's this guy? Why is he hurting his?
that's one of my
Why-
boo things.
why
I
is
told you. That's one of my boo things.
What? No.
I told you.
Oh,
You want me to tell you? I'm in an open relationship. I'm not ready for that shit. I already told you. You want to be acting all jealous? No, I'm already done. What the fuck are you doing? Pick up my fucking phone.
All right, how long y'all been together for?
Yo, 3 months.
3 months?
Yeah.
How's these 3 months been?
I mean, they've been good. Yeah, they've been good.
A little adventurous.
A little adventurous?
Yeah.
Sound like y'all going on some adventures, huh?
Yeah, you know, some exploring, you know, what's going on. You know.
Exploring? You talking about what? Talking about what?
You know, so I'm pansexual, so, you know, just exploring, you know, just exploring around. What's going on? What's going on?
Nigga, you Peter Pan what, nigga? What? Nigga, what? The fuck did you just say? You what?
I said I'm pansexual, you know, so what you feeling? What you feeling?
What the fuck is a pansexual?
It could be the three of us.
Yeah.
Whoa, wait, what?
Yeah, like the drip, like the clothes. What's going on? Yeah, you know.
Hold on, so
I think it's a good idea.
you think what is a good idea?
Three is more fun.
Yeah, you're pansexual. I never heard that before. You clearly have a girlfriend.
Yeah.
What the?
Can I have a boyfriend as well, you know?
Is that like bisexual?
No. Pansexual is all about the feeling. You know what I'm saying? I like your vibe, the feeling, you know. You want the flow.
So it's all about what you're feeling.
Yeah.
So,
What I'm feeling right now is you, so, you know.
nigga, wait. I'm straight, bro.
Okay, well, you know.
I'm straight.
You never know.
I know. I ain't got nothing against, you know, people with different feelings. Apparently, I ain't know niggas was doing that. But like, I'm straight.
You sure?
Yes, nigga.
How do you know?
Nigga, I know. Like,
Do, you know, like,
hey.
go downtown, you know.
Nigga, oh, nigga, I'm out here. This nigga gay as hell. Do me a favor. Call your best friend right now. I want you to ask her, guess who I'm with right now. And we'll see who.
She said. Yeah, let's see who she said.
Let's see who she's saying. Have you met her best friend?
I do know her best friend. She don't like me. So let's see what name she say. She ain't say it with her mouth, but she said it with her eyes.
Oh.
Hello?
Hey, bestie.
I'm dead.
Guess who I'm with?
I said, don't tell me it's free.
Who?
Wait.
No, not. No.
What do you mean? Wait.
No, I'm not with him.
Am I on speakerphone?
Yes, you're on speaker.
Take me off, because I don't want to say the wrong name.
Oh no!
Call her back.
No.
Call her.
You already talked to her.
You talked to her. I didn't talk to her. How about this, right? If you don't call her now and let me talk to her and get whatever I gotta get off, that shit for Valentine's Day to Cancun, that's a dub.
Are you serious?
Dead ass. Look at my dead ass serious.
Cancun trip.
Okay, if it's that.
I'm supposed to go to Cancun Valentine's Day.
Valentine's Day, bro.
Oh, and you fucking up like this?
James?
What name was you about to say? That's what I'm curious.
I heard Jack.
Right. What name was you about to say?
I heard Jack.
Y'all really reaching right now. She
No,
said
first-
James,
first
bruh.
she
She said James. You trying to search for names at this point?
Who is Cam?
She just said
Is
James.
Going to Cancun
She
with
just
us?
said James
But is
though.
Cam going to
But she
Cancun?
just said James.
Who is Jack? Who's Jack?
Okay.
Cancun.
Wait, hold on.
Cancun. 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 Be faithful. You need people like me. You need to see that your bitch. You want to be in Cancun with a bitch like this? For real? For real? Look at her. Appreciate her goddamn baby, please. It's all inclusive.
Who's that?
Who in your wallpaper slime?
Yeah, it's because when we start dating, I didn't change it. I forgot to change it.
Wait, who is that?
Who is it?
Let's
No, no, it's cool, it's cool. It's cool.
Let me see. Let me see.
It's cool. I can go through it. You went through my phone, I go through yours.
How
As
about you be
pavement.
my boyfriend for the day and I'll give you kiss for payment? My nigga, what the fuck? Nigga, you.
Oh, hold up. So you want my service? If you want happy end, it's going to cost $10. No joke, guys. It's no f***ing joke.
My nigga, you is trife.
Hey, let me see.
No.
Alright, let's go.
No.
Let's go home. Let's go. Let's talk
No,
about. Let's talk about
no,
the home.
I don't want to
Babe,
go
let's
nowhere
go
with
home.
you. No, I won't go
Babe,
nowhere.
no, I'm not. I'm taking
Yeah,
your phone too.
Okay, so you want me to call these bitches and like ask about you?
No, let's go home. I wanna go home. Let's go. I'm back.
Where are you going? Home. Walk away, and never again. Walk away.
Use 1 month. I don't care.
Walk away.
Use 1 month.
Vete.
Waste of my life.
New chat 1 week ago. She leave him on red. Can I come visit? Oh!
What?
Whoa!
What the hell?
Whoa!
What is this? Come visit what?
Just an old neighbor.
Old neighbor? Why is he sending you?
I mentioned Cody before.
You mentioned Cody before. What is that? Is that?
What?
What the f is that? Whoa! What is that?
That's fire.
Is that Tinder? Is that Tinder? Wait, hold on. Your girlfriend has Tinder.
No, I don't use
Why you got
it. I
Tinder
don't
for?
use it.
Why
I don't
you got
use
Tinder
it. I
for?
barely use it.
For what?
Barely?
I mean, just, you know.
Barely use.
Barely?
You mean you
You know,
barely use
sometimes
it?
for networking. Sometimes for networking.
Networking what?
yes.
Networking
Oh, that been lying.
Networking some shit.
Why are you on Tinder if you're in a 2-year relationship?
Exactly. What are you doing on Tinder?
I didn't mean to download it. One of my friends got my phone and she was just like fucking around. And
This message is from last night.
I mean, you know,
What the hell?
sometimes he's working late and I get bored.
Oh!
You know?
You get bored and you start
But,
going
like,
on
it's not a
Tinder?
big deal.
You
You
get
see how
bored?
I told you after a year our time was limited. I told you that
Limited what?
I want to grow with someone. I want someone who can give me what I need, who can make promises and reassure me that they're not going to walk away.
Yeah,
You couldn't
the
give
same
me
way
that.
you're making
Oh my God.
promises. Yeah, like the same way you're going and making promises online.
Yeah, well, what about that night you
Promising
didn't
what?
come home? What about that time you didn't come home?
Well, yeah, it's called work.
No.
Hello?
No, I told you. No. Come on, let's just
You
go
ain't getting
home. We
that
can talk
Starbucks.
about this. How are we going to let them destroy us?
Destroy.
I ain't download Tinder, bitch. Hold on. I didn't download Tinder, bitch. Hold on. Oh. How us?
Y'all came out of nowhere.
Y'all, man, we didn't download Tinder.
You know what?
No.
Get out of here. Get out of here. Yo. Get
Yo,
out of here.
watch
Get
out.
out of here. Yo. We gonna
Watch out.
ride out. We gonna ride out.
Oh,
Whatever,
hey,
yo.
I'm gonna get you some hoes, man.
Hoes out, yo.
I got you, bro.
Yeah, exactly. We gonna ride out. We gonna ride out.
Find my man some hoes, bro. We just ended the
Real.
2-year
I hit the streets.
Hey, you got a car, bro?
Yeah, I got. Well, I had a ride, but she just left. So.
Ah, shit. You really broke, nigga. God.
I'm trying to be such a top.
I guess it's safe to say we saved some people some money for Valentine's Day. If y'all liked the video, man, hit that like button. Also, subscribe if you're new. I'll see y'all in the next video.